Would you like to look younger for longer? Here are 10 ways to turn back the clock and look like you have lost 10 years overnight. Bonjour French Chic ladies. Today I am sharing with you how I look fresh-faced at 61 and how you can too. Our first way to look younger for longer is vitamins. I incorporate vitamins into my diet, and these vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Vitamin A helps to promote skin cell turnover and prevents wrinkles and fine lines. Foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, and leafy greens are rich in vitamin A. Are you eating them? Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from stress and damage caused by free radicals. Foods such as nuts, spinach, and seeds are rich in vitamin E. Do you eat any? Vitamin C boosts collagen production, brightens the skin, and helps fight off the wrinkles. Foods such as citrus fruit, strawberries, and bell peppers are rich in vitamin C. Do you eat them? Our next way to look younger for longer is walking. Daily walking improves blood circulation, which helps nourish skin cells and deliver oxygen and nutrients to your skin. Walking also boosts the mood and reduces stress. It supports overall physical health, and all this contributes to overall youthful appearance. Experts recommend a good hour of daily walking. Have you started walking? Let us know in the comments. Our next way to look younger for longer is good sleep. Good sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate skin cells. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to look and feel your best. I use this ventilated blanket from Sleep Glow as it helps me sleep more comfortably, regulating my body temperature and ensuring a deeper, more restorative sleep. A cool and comfortable sleep environment aids in better rest, which helps maintain youthful skin. Do you have a ventilated blanket? Let us know in the comments. Get your discount code for this ventilated blanket in the description box below. Sleep Glow also do the Omnia Pillow, which help to prevent and reduce sleep creases. So what are sleep creases? Well, they are formed exclusively by the pillow when you sleep. Imagine this is the pillow and your face is compressed like this during the night, especially if you sleep on your side. And you can see here the forehead is compressed. It creates lines around the eyes, around the nose, and around the mouth. Look at this. When your face is compressed like that for 8 hours, every night, it creates those lines. So I have the perfect solution for you, and it is the Sleep Glow Pillow. So what is a Sleep Glow Omnia Pillow? Well, it is a pillow that is especially designed by orthopedists. You have this indentation at the side so that your face is a little bit elevated off the pillow. Your face does not get squashed and create those sleep creases. Okay, so this is the pillow. It's memory foam. Here you have an indentation. If you see, for instance, on your back, you can put your head here and your neck will be supported here. And you see you have an indentation here. You put the side of your face here, you will be supported here, and your face, the side of your face, will be on this side and will be actually floating above the foam, not touching it. So this is why, so you won't have the creases and you won't have the puffiness that you may wake up with otherwise in the morning. With a normal pillow, I used to change position a lot. But with this pillow, what I have noticed is that once you are in that position, you are not really likely to move around. Therefore, my sleep is much more restful. You know, in the morning, I used to feel and I had a little bit of a neck ache and shoulder ache here. And now, this seems to have disappeared for the most part. So I sleep so much better on this pillow. and I find my skin is much smoother. And I noticed that this wrinkle here is not as pronounced. If you're interested, you can go into the Sleep & Glow website because there is a lot more information you can read on. They're so confident in the quality of their pillow that they give you 30-day money-back guarantee. And there is a 3-year warranty on your pillow. So merci bien, Sleep & Glow. Get your special coupon code for the Omnia Pillow in the description box below. I am so convinced of the benefits of the Omnia Pillow and the ventilated blanket from Sleep & Glow that I am very happy that they sponsored our video today. Our next way to look younger for longer is managing stress levels. We all know that stress is bad for us. Chronic stress can age you very fast, giving you dull skin, wrinkles, and other signs of aging. Keep your stress levels in check with meditation, yoga, deep breathing, and journaling. Keeping your stress levels under control helps your skin stay clear and youthful. Are you managing your stress levels? Let us know in the comments. Our next way to look younger for longer is eating less and better. You are literally what you eat. Eating smaller, more balanced meals can help maintain a healthy weight and prevent bloating, as this can make you look older. Focus on foods that are rich in minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. Avoid overeating to keep your skin vibrant and healthy. Our next way to look younger for longer is avoid sugars. Believe it or not, but sugars are everywhere. High sugar consumption damages collagen and elastin in the skin, and this leads to sagging and wrinkles. Cutting back on sugars and refined carbs helps to preserve your skin's elasticity and firmness. Are you avoiding sugars? Let us know in the comments. Our next way to look younger for longer is eating anti-aging foods. There are various foods that are renowned for their anti-aging properties. Foods like turmeric, salmon, figs, blueberries, strawberries, nuts, dark chocolates, and walnuts. Are you eating any of these foods? Let us know in the comments. If you want to learn how to eat better, reduce your portion, and stop snacking, you will love my Eat Like a Frenchwoman program. And for now, for Black Friday, you get a $50 discount. Have a look below at the discount code. Our next way to look younger for longer is iced water. You may ask, Marianne, iced water? Believe it or not, but a quick dunk of your face into iced water will reduce puffiness and will tighten your skin. Instant facelift. Have you tried that before? Let us know in the comment. Our next way to stay younger for longer is hydration. Hydration is key for maintaining a plump, glowing skin. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and include black or green tea. Green and black tea are packed with antioxidants and have anti-aging properties. Good hydration helps flush toxins out of the body, and this keeps your skin looking fresh and dewy. Do you keep hydrated? Let us know. Our next way to keep younger for longer is dancing. Dancing is a fun and great way to keep the circulation going. Dancing keeps your body and your skin energized. It's also great for lifting the mood and reduce stress. And this contributes to a fresh, youthful appearance. How do you keep looking younger for longer. Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to pick up your Sleep and Glow coupon codes in the description box below. I hope you've enjoyed discovering how to look younger for longer. But if you want to know 10 style tricks to look younger, watch this video on screen now.